How to buy Convo, the prefrontal cortex Convo token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. They have a big community, as you can see. Make sure to take a look in it. Now, to buy this token is by going to their official website. This is the URL or the link to their official website. Now, to be able to buy this token is by connecting your wallet. So continue with your wallet and select your wallet. For example, I will select Bitget wallet. As you can see, just click on connect. So as you can see, click on agree, and now as you can see, successfully connected. Now wait a few seconds to be able to buy this token from here. You can now select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I can use the like USDC. Now from here, just type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, because I have insufficient balance, I can't buy it. So to be able to buy and fill your Bitget wallet in the same way, just go and open this token in CoinMarketCap. Now go and copy this token address and make sure it's under the base network. Now open the Bitget wallet, as you can see. Now just go back and now click on this plus icon and now select the base network, as you can see from here, and paste the token address. Now after that, just click on plus, and as you can see, this is the warning. As you can see, the contract owner may contain the authority to modify the transaction. Make sure to read all of this, and after you are ready to go, just add it to your wallet. Now go back. So after that, as you can see, we need to find our Convo wallet. So as you can see from here, just scroll down. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Just click on buy. As you can see, now before you click on buy, just copy the token address, as you can see from here. Now from here, as you can see, select the currency or country currency, as you can see, for example USD, and now enter how much you want to buy. And as you can see, now here paste the token address to be able to buy it. From here, select the provider. For example, I will select Transact, and now click on buy. So wait a few seconds. And now after that, they will redirect you to complete the buy process. Now after you fill, so this is the information, and you can now buy the crypto to your wallet. So now you will fill your Bitget wallet by USDT. So after that, click on buy, and now after that, as you can see, click on buy USDT and enter your email to complete the buy process to be able to buy this token. Now after you fill your USDT, just go back to Bitget wallet and now click on swap, and after that just click on this swap, and after that select the USDT that you buy. So after you select it, for example this, now enter how much of USDT that you buy, and this is how much you will receive and convert. So after that, you can now complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the Convo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.